Hey guys, welcome back to the Crafty Club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet. This is part 2 of my series, of course, how to crochet. So if you want to see more videos and learn how to crochet and become the yarn craft master, make sure you subscribe down below and hit the bell icon for all notifications. Let's get started. The materials you'll need for this craft is, of course, yarn. I'm using Bernat soft chunky yarn in the color red, a crochet hook, and scissors. Depending on what size of yarn and brand you are using, you'll need to use a different crochet hook. For this pretty chunky, bulky weight yarn, I'm using a 6.5 millimeter hook, or if you're in America, a K hook. If you're a beginner, I definitely recommend using bigger yarn because it's easier to see what you're working with and your stitches that you've already made. First, we need to make our foundation chain. So make sure that before you do anything, go watch the how to make a foundation chain video, which will be linked in the description box down below. And if this is a bit later than I've published it, there'll probably be the rest of the series also linked down below. We need to create our slip knot, which is our loop. Pinch the X, go through, grab that, and pull. So once we've created our slip knot, just chain however many you desire. Today, I'm just gonna chain 8. So I've chained 8. So when we're doing single crochet, you wanna make sure that you're not crocheting into the closest V to the hook. This loop on the hook, as of now, doesn't really count as a stitch. We're just counting the V's that we've chained. So don't go into this first V. Go into this second one and put your hook through that second chain. Now it should look like you almost have 2 loops on the hook, but your hook is still in that chain. Now, like we learned in the last video, we're gonna yarn over, which is just putting your hook under, around, so it goes from right up to the left. Like we're gonna chain, we're gonna catch our yarn here and pull it through only the first loop on our hook. So only through that one. Now we should have 2 loops on our hook. Once we've done that, we're gonna yarn over once again, just going from the right up to the left on your crochet hook, and pulling through both loops on the hook, just like this. Now you've created your first single crochet. We've just crocheted into this chain. So now we want to go into the next V. Go into the middle of that next chain. Push your hook through. And we're just going to do single crochet again to the end of the row. So put your yarn in the chain, yarn over, pull through the first loop. Now, yarn over again, pull through both loops on your hook. Put your hook through your chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, pull through both loops on the hook. On top, it should look like more little V's. Just keep single crocheting in all the rest of your chains. Now I finished my first row of single crochet. Now I want to do another one, so I need to chain 1 and turn my work. all these little V's, make sure you're not crocheting into that chain you just made, but the little V's on top of your stitches is what you're now going to be crocheting into. So let's go into this first V from the bottom like this and do our single crochet as usual. Go into our next V, which is just going under both of those little strands in your V. Yarn over, pull through first, yarn over, pull through both. Now, you're just going to want to continue doing that. Remember, practice makes perfect. So you're never going to have your stitches look exactly how they're supposed to look on the first try. So make sure you practice over and over again and just keep going and going and going until you feel you're confident with your work. Now you've finished the second step on the basics of your crochet journey. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and turn on all notifications. Like this video and leave a comment in the discussion. Have a good one and stay crafty.